What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy because we are days away from fall, so I can basically say that it's fall, right? Spooky season, whatever. This is the look that I created for you guys today. I am so happy with it. Everything about it is just like, it screams fall. So I put on my orange long sleeve, got some decor going for you guys. I have my pumpkin spice iced coffee here, drinking it. So I really feel like it's fall. It's fall. It's glam, it's beautiful, it's orange, it's warm, it's a fall look. They're here, guys. They're upon us. If you guys want to know how I got this look, just stay tuned to this video and I will let you guys know everything I did. So see you guys in a second. So I went ahead and put my hair back. I already moisturized my face and added a little bit of my brow stuff to my brows. So this is the Pearlescence Brightening Eye Serum, and this has vitamin C and vitamin B3, I believe. So this is really good for when you're tired or whatever the reason is. If you have dark circles, it helps cover them. And now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my brows. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Shape Tape in the color Light. And I'm just gonna add some to the arch of my brows. Maybe a little bit to the front. And then with the brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and start moving the product so that it starts defining my brows. Just gonna mix it in with a blending brush. I'm just gonna drag the product a little bit up so that I get like this part of my face. And even like I like to bring it down a little bit. Now that the bottom of my brows are concealed, I'm gonna go ahead and do the top of my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and define it. Okay. And now I'm just gonna, with the brush, start bringing the product up and blending at the same time. And voila, my eyebrows are nice and concealed, so I can go ahead and start my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using a mixture of the Sahara Second Juvia's and the Kylie Jenner Bronze Palette. Okay, so I'm gonna be going in with, it's called Hermit, and it's usually in this corner, but it's over here right now. Starting from the bottom of my lid, and I'm gonna bring it up to my crease. And that's basically it. So I am going to go in with the Sahara Second Juvia's palette, and I'm going to be using this color in the color Taza. I'm just gonna add a little bit to my brush. And I'm gonna add that to my outer crease. And I'm going to be bringing that into my inner crease. So starting out here and bringing it in. And then with the other brush that I just used to apply the first eyeshadow, I'm going to blend that all over the place. So just getting it nice and blended. I love the mix of these two. It's like such a fall, or it kind of matches my shirt actually. So with the same Juvia's, I am going to be using that color. I think it's called Aziza, the color Aziza. So it's this white shimmer. I'm just gonna grab a little brush. I'm gonna be spraying this with some setting spray or fixing spray. Makeup Obsession Moon Glow. So I'm just gonna wet my brush a little bit, grab a little bit of that white shimmer, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my lid. So avoid your crease at all costs. I know it might happen, but just avoid it. Really just mixing that on your lid. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter for my foundation. I really want like a full coverage today because I'm going to be going out tonight. With my foundation brush, I am going to add a little bit. And then just kind of get that everywhere. And then just start mixing it in. All right, now that that's nice and mixed in, I am going to go back and finish my brows. This is the time where I go back and I start filling in the tops. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are nice and filled in, and they do look a little bit darker today because of how dark I want my bronzer to be. But I did want to add a little bit Taza and make it a little bit more orangey. So I'm gonna just tap on a little bit, and once again, add it to my crease. So with the same Tarte Shape Tape, I am going to apply that underneath my eye. And actually this time, I'm going to conceal the corner of my eye, just like that, to give it more of like a sharp look. Okay, so as you guys can tell, I added that concealer to make my eye more sharp. I don't wear eyeliner, and I feel like such a dramatic look kind of calls for eyeliner, so I feel like this makes it look like maybe like I might have like an invisible eyeliner or something. So that's why I do that. So now that that is all nice and mixed in, I'm going to set my concealer with some Kylie Cosmetics setting powder in the color Translucent. This is like my classic if you guys have been watching. With a beauty blender, I am going to just start applying that underneath my eyes. Just gonna tap that places, and I'm just gonna let that sit for a minute before I get back to it. So see you guys in like 2 minutes. All right, and now that my setting powder has been sitting on my face for a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and just fan it off with the fan brush. And with the same palette, I am going to use that same orange color, and I'm going to apply that underneath my crease line. So for lashes, I'm so excited. I got some Violet's Cosmetics lashes, and guys, just look at this. How amazing are these? Like, they are so pretty and dramatic, and it goes perfectly with the look today. So I'm so excited to use these, and this is gonna be in the style Who Dis. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on off camera, so just go ahead and give me a second. Well guys, I have the lashes on. Like, seriously, talk about who's this? I don't even recognize myself. These lashes are seriously so poppin'. Like, wow. If you guys like them as much as I do, you can click on Violet's Cosmetics Instagram on my description box, and if you put Maria20, you get 20% off. So totally worth it. These lashes are amazing. Like, this is such a crazy, oh god, I love long lashes, and they're so easy to apply. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Anastasia powder bronzer in the color Rich Amber, and I am going to just start making that bronzing line on my cheek. I'm just going to start mixing that in, bringing it upwards. By the way, guys, this is my dog Nova. She is my baby, and I love her with all my heart. She's literally fiending for my attention right now, so I had to just add her to my video real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna keep bronzing and building that deep contour, because my eyeshadow is so intense. You kind of need like a deep bronzer to even it out. I'm just gonna start bronzing my nose a little bit. I'm still kind of learning how to contour my nose correctly. Like, I don't really feel like I do much to my nose. So if you guys have any tips on how to contour a nose the correct way, please comment down below and tell me, because I really need help. Like, I don't know, I feel like I do something, but I don't feel like I do much. Like, I see these girls on like Instagram or like making videos, and like their noses turn into like cute little buttons, and mine does not do that. So any tips, I will take gracefully. I'm going to add some highlighter. So I want to go for like a warm look. So I'm going to be using the Chanel, Lee Lion, the Chanel. With the brush that it comes, I'm just going to get a little bit, highlight my cheekbones, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. So just bring it down and then connect it. Now I'm going to be using this liquid eyeshadow by Too Faced, the color Lemon Zest, and I am going to apply that into my inner corners. So it should look like this. I love these so much. I have a bunch of them. I'm going to be using this Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink. This is in the color 70 Amazonian. And I love how orange this looks on my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this, and I'll see you guys in just a minute. And that is basically it for my fall look. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with my hair yet. I'm just gonna kind of leave it doing its thing right now. But I am so happy with this look. Like, I feel like these lashes basically did the job for me. Like, they look so intense. If you guys like this look, this is more like a glam look, but if you guys want me to do more of like a simple look, I can do that for you guys too. Thank you so much for watching. I am so happy spooky season is upon us, and I will see you guys next week in next week's video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. It would help me out so much. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.